Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, and I'm super excited to share with you our Rivian R2 that we have installed our new bolt-on lift kit. It looks super cool. I've been driving it every day. It rides really good. Let's get right into the basics here on this lift kit. So is it a DIY installation? Yes, but we're gonna call it an advanced DIY installation. If you're comfortable removing struts, using spring compressors, and bolting that stuff on and off, you should be okay. If that stuff sounds scary to you, then go for the professional installation. It's not a super long installation, something you can do in an afternoon at home, or you could get it professionally done in a couple of hours. After installation, we do recommend doing an alignment so you can get everything matched up and pointing straight the way it should be. Now, on this lift, we chose to do a spacer style lift, and we've got a nominal lift of about 1.6 inches. Going to vary a little bit on how you measure it and how the vehicle is loaded, but it gives you this look, which is fantastic. Okay, and for the ride sensors, we've actually relocated them because we wanted the Rivian to feel that it's in its home position. We wanted to be able to preserve what it does with the headlight angling and with the dynamic adjustment on the suspension. So all of the factory options where you can adjust the ride sensitivity still works just fine with this lift kit. Now keep in mind, there's a limited amount of things we can do being an EV and based on the axle angles on this truck. We have done this lift within a safety envelope with the axle angles staying safe. We didn't want to go too far and cause angle issues with the joints or the axles, and that's really what's limiting us on what we could do for a lift here. But we feel like we nailed it. This thing looks good, rides good. You're gonna get the look of a lift and you're gonna gain the added ground clearance. So overlanding, adventuring, off-roading, this is the way to go. And you can see on our truck, we got a lot of goodies on this thing already. We've got our running boards on here. We've got our R800 wheels, the Toyo open country tires, the lift kit obviously. Up here is the new roof rack, and we're gonna get into that in another video. All right, everybody, I hope you liked the introduction to the lift kit. Next up, we're gonna share the full installation video so you can see what it takes to put this in. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we got a lot more going on with our Rivian R2 we wanna share with you.